Hi, my name is Arpita Bhriguvanshi and I'm going to present a poster on behalf of my team today. The name of our study is Organic Sleep Disorders Are Linked with Stroke, and it is a nationwide population study. The primary aim of our study is to identify the prevalence of organic sleep disorders and compare the prevalence of stroke amongst organic sleep disorders. The subtypes of organic sleep disorders we analyzed in our study are REM sleep behavior disorder, hypersomnia, parasomnia, insomnia, and circadian rhythm. And the subtypes of stroke that we analyzed in our study are acute ischemic stroke, transient ischemic attack, intracerebral hemorrhage, and subarachnoid hemorrhage. The secondary aim of our study was to evaluate the association between organic sleep disorders and stroke subtypes. Our study was a retrospective study. It was performed using national inpatient sample from 2016 to 2017 for adult US hospitalizations. We identified the diagnosis of organic sleep disorders and stroke using ICD-10 codes. The methods that were employed for our study are weighted analysis using chi-square test and mixed effects multivariable survey logistic regression. The results that we found out after our study is that out of 58 million approx US hospitalizations, the prevalence of REM sleep behavior disorders was the lowest, and the prevalence of insomnia was the highest. And we also found out that the prevalence of acute ischemic stroke, transient ischemic attack, intracerebral hemorrhage, and subarachnoid hemorrhage was higher in all the subtypes of organic sleep disorders. We also found out weak association between the subtypes of organic sleep disorders and stroke. So, what we concluded is that organic sleep disorders are associated with stroke, and even though the extent of association varies in each organic sleep disorders, early identification and prompt management of organic sleep disorders may mitigate the risk of stroke. So, this was our conclusion. Thank you.